Hello everyone, it's Kay here and I'm here today because it's the Issa Link Volume 10. I'm delighted to say Tmika has uploaded this month's challenge and she's done a really terrific video tutorial to go with it. So there's no room for error and it is something that you can do in bite-sized pieces if that's what you'd like to do. Dear Tmika is such a busy lady. I was quite sad to see that people or a person had been quite rude in their approach to finding out where this month's challenge was, and I do hope it doesn't continue because Tmika works really hard to support as many people as she can to hold swaps which are wonderful, albeit for USA creators only, but that's understandable because of the volume of postage that's involved. But Tmika always pulls through and gets the job done. It may be a wee bit late, but people do need to be patient and just respect the fact that she's a working mum and an awesome crafter at the same time. So that's me getting off my soapbox. I have several, you'll find, as you follow me in this in this little YouTube arena, and sadly as I get older they seem to not want to stay locked up behind my closed lips, so do bear with me. Back to the Issa Link Party 10, and it is wonderful. All you have to do is make 3 lovely little pizza boxes. You then decorate them and put a little something inside. So if I close in, oh no, that's the wrong way, Kay. If I close in a little bit, you'll see what it amounts to. And Tmika does a whole catalogue of variations for you and for the things inside, and shows you exactly what to do. So do go along, check it out and take part. I believe there will be a draw at the end of this month which will be a monetary prize. Ever thoughtful. I mean, Christmas is looming at an enormous rate, and Tmika this time has decided that she will put a little PayPal payment into whoever is selected as the winner for this month's Issa Link party. So I'll start with this one because this is such a pretty one, and all you need to make the box are 2 pieces of 5x5 card which you score around at 1 inch each side. Then you do a little bit of cutting. I have taken the opportunity to do the little thumb pull here purely because I like it, and then you go on to decoration, which is a 3.5 by 3.5 platform. It couldn't really be easier. Now this is a dead giveaway as to what's inside. These were little rosettes. So if I open the box up for you like so, and take out my 3 little rosettes, I have gone the distance and put a little bit of excess paper into my box, and I'll let you into a secret. Most of this has been done with scraps that I had lying on my table from previous projects, so it's not even an expensive thing to take part in with materials. And then I went on to make these 3 lovely little rosettes, and it is just 1 inch width paper which is then scored, and then I put a little bit of lace on the top. They're finished on the back as well with a little bit of gold mirror board, and that is the first box in total, and it takes such a short time to do if you do them in the bite-sized pieces. It's not a huge chore. The next one I made was this one, and there again there is a little indicator there as to what is inside, purely from the colour point of view. I've got glue things everywhere, do excuse me, and all I've done is use this beautiful purple glitter paper with black, and then put these tiny little flowers on the front, a little bit of leaf work there, and then gems around just to keep that little bit of bling going. And then when you open up your little pizza box, inside are 3 matching chunky little monkey pegs. I love these. I bought them in Poundland. I think there were 12 in there, and I just peeled off what was there because I didn't like it, and it came off beautifully, which then leaves you with these gorgeous chunky pins, pegs, that you can then decorate yourself. And you'll see I've married up what is on the front with what is inside. A little bit of black card in the base of the box just to keep it polished and finished. And then the final one, I had a little bit of this Prima paper left over. Can't remember the name of it, something blue. No, it's gone. Anyway, a beautiful Prima paper with a lovely little Prima flower here. Couple of little gold coloured flowers just from Punches, nothing too extravagant. A little lace heart shaped applique, and when you go inside there are 3 gorgeous little flowers, and they are the old style. Again, the box is lined. The old style flowers, and Tmika even takes the time to go through and make these with you, and all you need is a glue gun and a bit of lace and a bit of finishing on the back. There's the heart applique from the front. I've used a flat back doodad there. Couple of layers of lace and the good old trusty glue gun, and I'm delighted to say I got away without burning myself once, which is quite a feat, I have you know. But that is this lovely Issa Link Party 3 pizza box challenge. I'll just take out all the things, and it isn't a whole lot of work once you get organised. The boxes, everything are just so wonderful. I've never made pizza boxes before, seen them, you know, but the size of these is just so lovely. And that is this month's Issa Link entry. I hope lots and lots of people take part because it is such fun. There is no postage involved, and Tmika goes through everything that you need to do to complete the project. What could be simpler? Come on ladies, have a go. It's such fun, and you meet some wonderful people. Take care everyone. Happy crafting. Bye bye for now.